Hello students, let us start with cantilever beam with UDL and a point load. Consider a cantilever beam AB with point load 10 kilonewton at a distance of 1.5 meter from fixed end A and an UDL from point load to free end B which is 2 meter. This pink color load is nothing but equivalent point load. It is not given in problem, it is we have calculated. So, it is 5 kilonewton per meter. UDL of 5 kilonewton per meter is given here. 10 kilonewton is point load, 5 kilonewton per meter is UDL for 2 meter span, and equivalent point load can be acted at 1 meter. So, intensity of equivalent load is 5 into 2 is 10 kilonewton. So, RA is 10 plus 10 is 20 kilonewton. RA only one reaction can be calculated arithmetically. Now, let us solve for shear force. So, it is 20 horizontal straight line up to point C minus 10. So, here 10 and 10 minus UDL of 10. So, 10 minus 10 is 0. So, join point of 10 intensity to 0 intensity by inclined straight line which is showing UDL. This is nothing but shear force diagram. Bending moment, as this is cantilever, so at free end there is a 0 bending moment. Let us calculate for C because no intensity of any other. A, B, C, only 3 points are there. Bending moment at C. Only one force of 10 kilonewton towards right. So, let us have sign convention. It is negative minus 10 plus 1. So, this is nothing but minus 10. So, here is minus 10. At A, bending moment at A, two forces are there. One is 10 kilonewton which is UDL at a distance of 3.5 and 2.5 because 1 plus 1.5 because it is acted at midpoint of 2 meter. So, it is minus 10 into 2.5, this is minus 10 into 2.5 minus 10 into 1.5. So, it is nothing but minus 40. So, this is nothing but minus 40. This is parabolic curve as it is very small. For a major distance, it is showing as parabolic curve because this is bending moment diagram for UDL, and this is a straight line because here there is a point load and no load between point A and C. This is nothing but a bending moment diagram. This is bending moment diagram. So, here we have studied for cantilever beam. Let us solve one more peculiar example. This is a cantilever beam which is having throughout span UDL for entire span of 4 meter. Intensity of UDL is nothing but 2 kilonewton per meter for 4 meter span. So, intensity equivalent point load will be 2 into 4, 8 kilonewton. So, now let us solve this. Tell me the intensity of RA. It is nothing, this is peculiar example, not only UDL. Here is a UDL for entire span and upward load. This is peculiar example. Upward load of 3.5 kilonewton at free end. Remember, this is not simply supported beam, this is cantilever beam, but it is having, this is MSBT board problem for MSBT exam. At free end, there is upward load of 3.5 kilonewton. So let us solve first to find out RA plus 3.5, because our convention is that upward load is positive, minus 8 because UDL 4 into 2 is 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, RA is 4.5. Okay. Now, solve this. At RA, there is 4.5. To entire span, there is UDL. So, 4.5 minus 8. This is 8 kilonewton intensity of UDL. So, 4.5 minus 8 is nothing but minus 3.5 up to end of UDL. That means end point B. Up to end point B, there is UDL. Let us write down here point B. So, 4.5 minus 8 is nothing but minus 3.5. So, let us draw minus 3.5 here, and 4.5 to 3.5 join with inclined straight line. At minus 3.5, there is upward load of plus 3.5. So, minus 3.5 plus 3.5 is 0. So, we have calculated this shear force diagram. Now, for maximum bending moment, we have to calculate this point of contraflexure, that is where shear force diagram changes its sign. So, as per our regular practice, we are having two triangles, and let us assume this as x, this as 4 minus x, this is nothing but 3.5, this is nothing but 4.5. So, let us solve this to find out x. I hope you can calculate x. So, now to find out point x, my dear friends, let us try yourself by identity of these two triangles. X upon 3.5 is equal to 4 minus x upon 4.5. So, x comes out to be 1.75 meter. So, this point is 1.75 meter from here. So, it is now easy to calculate. This is not to the scale, just we have drawn without scale. So, just let us assume x is equal to 1.75 is located here, but it is not, the diagram is not to the scale, just we are calculating. Now, let us now find out bending moment at free end. Bending moment at free end B is 0. Bending moment at free end B is 0. At point A, this is point A, 3.5 into 4, 3.5 into 4 towards right, it is anti-clockwise, so positive, minus 8 into 2 towards right clockwise is negative. So, minus 8 into 2 is minus 2 kilonewton meter. Now, only 2 points are there, and third point is point of contraflexure, which is nothing but maximum bending moment point. So, at maximum bending moment at x, so m at x, 3.5 into x. So, we have to calculate bending moment at this point of contraflexure. So, 3.5 into x minus, this is UDL, this is nothing but UDL. So, 2 into x by 2, only these 2 points are towards right of this point of contraflexure. First one is this and second UDL for the span of x. So, 3.5 into x minus 2 into x by 2 is equal to 3.5 into 1.75 minus 2 into 1.75 by 2, 2.2 into 1.75 square by 2, because 2 into 1.75 by 2, so it becomes a square. So it is nothing but 3.062 kilonewton meter. So we have located here, as this is bending moment for UDL. This is a complete UDL for entire span. We have located 0, 3.062 and minus 2 at A. So joining with parabolic curve, we will have this type of diagram. This is nothing but bending moment diagram for this peculiar example. I hope you can solve combine point load and UDL for cantilever and submit it to me. Solve at least 5 problems based on cantilever with point load and an UDL. I hope, though it is peculiar example, you can easily solve this example.